Today we're going to learn some basketball terms in Te Reo Māori. Basketball is known as poitūkohu. Let's hit the courti or courts. And as always, we need a poro or ball. Now we're on the courti, let's go through some basic fundamentals of the game. Pinga pinga is to dribble. Whakawhiti is to cross over. And maka is to pass. Whiu is throw. Kuru is shoot. And my kuru needs a bit of work. The backboard is called a papamuri, which literally translates to backboard. Anyway, the hoop is called a mohiti. The net is a kupenga. My favourite word though is titere, which means swish, or parati, which means splash. They call me poi parati, the splash bro. Once I titere, swish, they add it to the piro, or points. Hamene is a foul, and travel is hikoi. Karo is to block, and haukoti is to intercept. Tūpana is a rebound. Anyway, all of this makes me a little bit ngenge, or tired, so I need to whakawhiti, or sub. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on basketball terms in Te Reo Māori.